Every single morning, more than 7,000 stocks are moving in the pre-market. Here's the truth. You don't need to watch them all. You only need a handful. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how we filter thousands of stocks down to a short list of names that are actually worth trading. And stick around to the end. I'll display the color coding trick that makes the highest quality alerts impossible to miss. It all starts before the open. Using a day trading scanner, we apply 4 simple filters and watch what happens to that number. Filter number 1, price. We're searching for stocks between 75 cents and $25, preferably over $1 and under 5. That's the sweet spot. Cheap enough to make big percentage moves with plenty of room for continuation. As a reminder, you can adjust the price filter according to your strategy rules. Filter 2, float size. We set it to under 25 million shares. Why does this matter? A low float means there's a limited supply of shares available to trade, so when real volume shows up, the price can move fast. That's exactly what we want for momentum trading. With these 2 filters, price and float size, we already start to narrow down our list of stocks. Filter 3, volume. Minimum 500,000 shares traded. This one's simple. It makes sure you're only watching stocks that are actually in play. If nobody's trading it, you shouldn't be either. Before we move on, I ask everyone to take the time to like and subscribe so they never miss our educational tutorials. And filter 4, change from the previous day, up at least 1%. You want names that are already moving in your direction, not stocks you're hoping will turn around. As a reminder, you can set this number higher if you prefer. Try 5% or 10% and adjust per your strategy. And just like that, 7,400 stocks becomes 8, a clean list of low float movers ready before the bell rings. These are real alerts from the trade ideas scanners we run every day. VRAX, a 780,000 share float, went from $8.81 to almost $11, all in the pre-market. CLWT, a 3 million share float, ran from $1.48 to over $4 in 16 minutes. The scan does the hunting. You just trade the list. Now here's the important part. This is one example. There are many ways to customize your scanner filters: gap percentage, relative volume, news catalysts, time of day. Build the scan that aligns with your strategy. In the next video, I'll show you how to color code your scanner so high-quality alerts jump right off the screen and the low-quality noise fades away. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want to go deeper, head over to bullishboblive.com for day trading education, a live community, and access to our ELITE TradingView tools. See you in the next one.